Are you ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? What? I got a new lens. I know it seems like I keep getting new lenses. I ended up returning the Sigma that I got because I really wanted the full wide angle, and with the crop sensor lens, I couldn't get that. And as much as I like the quality for video on that, I wanted something that could do everything. This one can do everything. This is the Sony 16 to 35 f2.8 G Master lens. So nice. Video, photos, wide angle. It does everything, and it has no focus sound. Listen to that. Nothing. Okay, before it gets too weird, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, we are finally getting the wheels for the 240. I know some of you have been saying, Brent, why are you getting new wheels? You said you didn't want to do any cosmetic mods until you've learned how to drift and wreck the car. I did say that. I'm not getting the wheels for looking good. I'm getting the wheels for functional purposes. We'll go get them soon, but I'm not just getting one set of wheels. They're multiple sets, which is gonna make it a lot easier to swap out wheels when I'm out on the track. I won't have to worry about mounting my own tires or only going through one set of wheels, and then that's the end of my day. This is gonna be really, really nice to have, so it's a functional purchase. But before we get to that, I got something that I want to tell you guys about today. Vikings, a mobile game for iOS and Android, reached out to me. I partnered with them back in July of last year, and they reached out again and wanted to do a little bit. I mentioned this before, but aside from racing games, as a kid, my primary games were sim and strategy games. SimCity, Civilization, The Sims. Vikings is kind of all of this rolled into one. With Vikings, you start out with a village, and from there, you pretty much take it where you want to go. Whether you want to build up an awesome army to take over other villages, or you just want to make your village impenetrable with the best economy there is in the entire game, it's really up to you. As for me, I'm all about the defense, because defense wins championships. They are doing a giveaway for an iPhone 10 and a MacBook Pro. Want to win an iPhone 10? Download from the links down in the description and upgrade your palace to level 5. Want to win a MacBook Pro? Try to get to the highest level by the end of the month. The giveaway is on January 30th. You can find the information on how to get the prizes at the Instagram links down in the description. Huge thanks to Vikings for partnering with me. Seriously, these are so helpful, and when you guys check out the game, it really helps me out. Helps me to make more content for you guys, do more awesome stuff with the builds. It really helps me out, so thank you. Now, before we go pick up the wheels, we gotta take the wheels that we have on the car off, because we're doing a little trading wheels and cash. Wheels and cash. So a little bit of a problem. The rear wheels don't have regular lug nuts on there. They've got these 10-point internal socket things. I don't even know what these are. I don't have it. So what I'm gonna have to do is head over to AutoZone real quick. Hopefully they have something to take that off. Then we'll come back and we'll finish taking them off. Then we'll go get the wheels. Got it. Freaking hovercraft now. So I have to go pick up the wheels, but have a little bit of dinner first. Abby was making some macaroni and cheese. All right, so I got the wheels. So Julian has the wheels that I'm gonna be getting. I am gonna get them powder coated, but we're not gonna get them powder coated today. So I was already over on this side of town, so I figured I might as well stop at the supercharger station because I can charge for free. Seriously, if you could go to a gas station and you would always have free gas, would you not always go to that gas station? Just saying. So I got it set up. It's already actually almost done, but freaking rapid charging. I don't know how fast it's charging now. I wasn't really watching. I was just sitting here reading Twitter. So 144 miles of range per hour. That's how fast it's charging. It's got 5 minutes left. The last time I was here, it was charging at 312 miles of range per hour. Obviously the temperature, it's really, really cold, so it can't charge as fast. There were 4 cars here earlier though, so it just kind of depends. But wheels, guys. Wheels. Ah, they're not staying that color. I'll show you guys the wheels when we get home, but those are the wheels that Julian had on his 240. Those are some of my favorite wheels. Back when I had the M3, that was the same mag setup that I really wanted on my M3. Super concave. I love how it is, but I'll show you guys them a little closer when we get home. Good morning, guys. I didn't end up showing you guys the wheel last night because, well, it was stupid dark, but let's take a look at them right now. Very pink. Again, I want to get them powder coated. I mean, for a drift car, there's just some rub, but that's fine. I don't really care about that because I'm gonna get them repowder coated anyways, and they're just gonna get messed up over the course of time anyways. But the problem that I do have is Julian thought that I wouldn't want any tires on there, but what I want to do is just put them on the car because yeah, no wheels right now. By the way, if you are new here and you don't know what's going on, I picked up this car, 1995 Nissan 240SX from Dashub. Dashub is an auction website where it basically gives people like you and me the ability to buy cars up for auction, like a dealership would put up or something like that. So Dashub hooked me up with this car, and we're just building it out as a car exclusively for drifting. So I'm gonna go actually to Julian's shop to pick up, he's got tires there. I think he actually has new tires that he's gonna set me up with, and then we can put those on the car because I don't think my neighbors are going to be too happy about the fact that I have a hover car in my driveway. So I'll see you guys when I get to the shop. Okay, so yeah, I'm back in my house. I forgot my camera, but that's okay because I didn't end up going over to Julian's shop. There's a shop that sells tires, and they had the ones that I was wanting to get, and they finally got back to me on my way down there. So I just stopped there and picked them up. These are Kenda tires. This is what Julian runs and what a lot of the other guys in Lone Star Drift run. So I'm gonna mount 2 of the rears because I only have rears right now. Julian has the front ones. I'm gonna mount all the rears on the car. What we gotta do first though is mount the tires. There's a shop that I could have taken to next door that does mounting for tires, but figured I bought that cheetah blaster that I used for the wheel on the Ruckus. So I'm gonna try that, save myself 60 bucks doing it that way if I can. I think it'll be a little harder actually getting the wheel on, but from there should be easier. Not going well because I don't have a tire spoon. They didn't have them at AutoZone. Not to be confused with Auto Trader. What? This isn't really working. If I can't even get that side on, there's no way that I'm gonna get the other side on. Yeah, I wanted to pick one up, but they didn't have it. Finally got everything that we need. I had to go all the way to Harbor Freight because seriously, AutoZone, why don't you carry tire spoons? I don't get it. Got these. They were on sale, $6 each. So I got 3 of them, and then I got straps. But let's see if I can do this. There we go. That is, that's as far as I can get. No matter how hard I try, I've been trying for like the past half hour. I can't get any farther than that. 1, inexperience. I've never mounted a wheel before, or a car wheel. 2, it's really cold. So the rubber's just not stretching at all. That's my biggest problem. I can't get this final bit over here. But I shot a message to Mark. He owns Texas Performance Cycles. He's the one who's done a lot of the work on the R3. So he's got a tire machine. He said that he can do car tires on it. So I'm gonna take them all over there, get them mounted, and finally have some tires on these wheels. Check it out. All freaking done. It's late now. I don't want to make a ton of noise. I did not mean for this vlog to span 3 days, but that's what's happening. First thing tomorrow morning, I will get these things on the car. Again, I'm not trying to put it on to make the car look better, but I do really like this color. Like, I made a joke about it, but come on, seriously. I'll see you guys in the morning. Guys, my car is just a random selection of colors. This is even better on this side since we got the red panel. That's awesome. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna get them powder coated. I don't know when, sometime in the next month and a half. Probably we'll do the event in February 1st. I do love how they look. Like I mentioned, those are some of my favorite wheel designs. It's very similar to the design that was on the CSL M3. So when I had my E46 M3, I always wanted to do that style of wheel. Now we got it. Of course, it's pink, but that's cool. It'd be better if the car wasn't like nasty blue. So that's gonna be it, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I hope you guys like the wheels. I'm super stoked. I can't wait to get these things powder coated. I have a vision of how the car will look in my mind. Just gotta get there, but first, gotta get this thing to the track. So huge thanks to Dashub, as always, for hooking me up with the car. Make sure you check them out. I'll have a link down in the description. You guys have been awesome. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And I'll see you guys in the next one.